Hey out there on Facebook Land, Julie from Canine Rescue Connection coming at you today. We have a transport down to San Diego and back, a couple of parts to it. This one here is for Rover's retreat. This is Huckleberry. Say hi to Huckleberry. Hey Huckleberry, how you doing there, buddy? Oh, he's a happy boy. Yeah, all right. So getting on the road here. Like I said, this is for Rover's retreat. And Julie signing off for now. You know what? Because dogs can't drive, especially in the end of a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey there out there, Facebook Land, Julie from Canine Rescue Connection coming at you. This is part 2 of today's transport here. This is for Mutts Indian Crossing Guardians. We got 3 dogs coming across from Mexico. Here we have this one. Here is Faye. Or not this, right? This is Daisy. Daisy, cutie. And we got Faye over here. Yeah, a little puggy chihuahua. And then we got one more, an older guy named Gramps. Say hi to Gramps. Hi, Gramps. Beautiful shepherd, maybe Australian shepherd mix, so who knows. Anyway, like I said, these are for Mutts in Need and Crossing Guardians. Gonna get on the road and back to the rescue. So Julie's signing off for now. You know what? Because dogs can't drive, especially in the end of a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye.